So today I'm going to show you what's involved in installing one of these halo lights from Eaton. So these are the slim LED, either retrofit or a new installation. And there's lots of different brands out there, but this particular kit came with an 8-pack. They're 6 inches. They're about just under 1,000 lumens per. And then it also comes with a smart dimmer, so it was a pretty good deal from that standpoint. And with it being an Eaton brand, I'm hoping that these will last quite a good length of time. So in the pack, you get 8 of these guys, so they come individually packaged, and I will show you how we take these apart and how we do the install. For a little disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, and this is for entertainment purposes only. So please familiarize yourselves with all the electrical codes, and make sure that you've got power off if you're going to try this yourself. But if you're not comfortable, please hire a professional. So when you open up the package, everything is already set up. So you've got the back side of the LED light, and then it is wired, and there's a connection right here, and then this goes into the box. So the box is what you're going to mount, especially when you're doing a new installation. So this box is going to get mounted first. So you'll have to disconnect this guy here. It's just a screw connection, and then it's a 3-pronged plug sort of thing in between. And then this will go up above your ceiling. Then the drywallers will come. You cut your holes where you need them, reach up, grab this line, reconnect it, and then plug this guy into the drywall. So as far as the wiring, we'll cover that next. Alright, so now you've got the box up mounted, and then this is the connection that will go to the light. So you need to make sure that you've placed the box in a location that you've got about 6 inches to where the light is. That's about the max reach that you're going to have with this. So you can pull on this guy, open it up, and pull down your connectors. So you got your neutral white, your power black, and then your ground. So, and then right here, this is the cable I've got coming from the other light box. So I've got them wired up in series, and so this is a 14-2 wire, so it's got 2 14-gauge connectors or wires in it, and then it has 1 ground. So with this, I'm gonna have come in on this side, and then I'm gonna go out on this side to the following light. And then you've also got some different ways that you can come into the box here and here if you so choose, but you would need to have some way to contain and hold the wires in there properly, so you would need another couple. But you can use the pre-built ones that are in here just by popping those up. Here. Make sure I've got enough to do a loop, and then I want about 4 inches inside the box. So ground goes to ground, black goes to black. On the other side. And white to white. Then I'll bring in my next wire here going to the other light. If this was the final light, then you just stuff all this stuff back in here and close it, and you'd be done. So in my case, I am going to continue to another light, and so I'm going to do the same thing, except coming in on this box, or this side of the box, and plug it in the same way. Alright, so now you got everything in, and now it's just a case of trying to get it nicely back into the box. And there you go, so you got your power in, coming on this side, going into the box. You've connected your blacks to blacks, whites to whites, grounds to grounds. Got it all tucked back into the box. And then this guy is going to be leading out here, and this is going over to your next light to power it. And then you've got your plug coming down here that is going to plug into the LED panel itself. And then the LED panel will go in, or be inserted into the drywall opening. So these Eaton ones have different color temperatures of the light. So you got all the way from like your bright, almost sunlight to a very warm light. So this is just a switch that you can toggle between all of them. So this is something that you want to be able to set prior to finishing your drywall or installing the box. You probably can reach it and change it down the road, but it's not something that you can do remotely. Thanks for tuning in. And if you have enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please give it a like and please consider subscribing. There'll be more content coming out weekly. Thanks.